Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll walk through step by step how to diagnose and fix the no sound issue on a Samsung monitor. Let's jump in. Number 1. Check built-in speakers. Before you do anything else, make sure your monitor actually supports audio. Some Samsung monitors do not have built-in speakers, or only support audio output to external speakers. Therefore, check the specs on Samsung's website or in the manual, and look for built-in speakers or audio output. Number 2. Volume and output settings. If the monitor does have speakers, next check the volume and output settings, both on the monitor and on your PC or laptop. On the monitor, use its built-in menu and go to Sound or Volume. Make sure the volume isn't mute or turned very low. On the source device, if you're using Windows, right-click the speaker icon in the taskbar, select Open Sound Settings, and ensure the correct output device is selected. On Mac, go to System Preferences, then Sound, then Output tab, then select the monitor. Also make sure that the device's volume isn't muted or zero. Number 3. Cable and port check. If your Samsung monitor doesn't have built-in speakers, and you're using external speakers with an audio cable, any loose or faulty connection can completely cut off sound. So unplug the speaker cable from both ends, the monitor's audio out port and the speaker's input port. Carefully inspect the cable for damage, such as bends, fraying, or a loose 3.5mm connector. Plug the cable back in firmly until you feel a solid click on both ends. If you have a second audio cable, try swapping it in. A bad 3.5mm cable is one of the most frequent causes of silent external speakers. Number 4. Source troubleshooting. Assuming the monitor and cable are fine, you now check your computer or console. For Windows PC, open Device Manager, go to Sound, Video, and Game Controllers, then find your audio device and right-click, then Update Driver. Also ensure Windows is up to date. Sometimes updates resolve audio handshake issues. For Mac, go to System Preferences, then Software Update, and also verify the output device. If using a gaming console, go into its audio settings and verify audio is set to HDMI output or whichever connection you're using. Number 5. Hardware issue. If you've gone through all the above steps and you still get no sound, test the monitor with a different source device. If sound works, then the original source device is the culprit. Test the source device with a different display/speakers. If you still get no sound, it's likely the source or its audio path. If the monitor still shows no sound even when everything checks out, then you might have a hardware fault, and you should contact Samsung support or a qualified repair.